Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a different type of video. Again, we're going to be doing like day in my life. Sort of just like follow me around all day. It's about 7:30 right now. I've never up this early, especially during the summer, but I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm gonna be, let's see, what are we doing today? First, I need to shower, wash my hair, get ready, because I start student teaching in 2 weeks, which I'm so excited about. And to make that like official, I need to go get a badge. So I'm gonna get ready to go get my badge picture taken. I'm gonna go to the grocery store today. I'm gonna be making an apple pie today. I need to clean up my house because Omar's coming home tomorrow on Tuesday. He's been on the East Coast with his family for the last like 2 months. So he's coming home, so I need to make sure that I have things clean. And his favorite pie is an apple pie. And I've never made one, so I'm going to make him one today because he comes home tomorrow. And yeah, I just thought y'all could follow me around today, and I like key you in on what I'm doing. I'm gonna do better than the macaroon video and actually like talk to you and make sure that like I'm checking in. But if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here. But yeah, I'm just about to go shower, wash my hair, and then I think I'll set up like maybe like a fast forward like montage or time lapse for my putting on my makeup. I kind of want to watch like YouTube while I do it. So I think I'll do that. But yeah, I'll check in a few. And yeah. Hey guys, so I'm out the shower. I'm all washed up. I have a turby twist on my head trying to dry it. And I'm about to do my makeup to get ready to go get my badge. And I thought I'd set you up in my bathroom and just have you like just do like a quick follow through of like what I'm doing. And so yeah, I just thought I'd catch you up a little bit. I'm just about to put some makeup on. The lighting isn't the best in here, but I figured it'd be okay for just like quick makeup. And Chatty Broads, I talked about Chatty Broads in my favorites video, and I just absolutely love them. They're doing like a recap of all the Blake and Kaylin drama on Bachelor in Paradise, which is just so interesting to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna be watching YouTube, putting on my makeup, and I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, quick check-in. So you saw me doing my hair, my makeup. I didn't check in right after because I was kind of in a rush to get to the badging office so I can get my badge for student teaching. I'll show you the picture. This is it. I really love it. I'm so happy that it turned out well. I feel like my hair turned out good. Like everything's pretty good. So yeah, I just went to go get my badge. Now I have on my makeup and like my hairs and everything, but really the only thing else I really need to do today is I need to clean. I need to go to the grocery store, pick up the stuff for the apple pie and for like dinners throughout the week. And yeah, I'm gonna take you through everything. We're also gonna do like a cleaning montage earlier, because I have a lot of cleaning to do before Omar gets home, because I'm definitely the messier one out of us two, and I want it to be clean when he gets back. Just because. And yeah, so we're probably gonna just head home, change into a more comfortable outfit. It's 11 a.m. and it's already 90 degrees, so it's only gonna get hotter from here. It's Texas, it's always hot, but I'm definitely gonna go change into like, I have on jeans right now, but I'm definitely gonna go change into like some shorts, just get comfortable for the day, probably clean up for a few hours, maybe watch some TV, chill out until I go to the grocery store, because I'm really in no rush now. Do have a workout at 5 o'clock, like 5 to 7, so I have that to do, but it's only 11, so I definitely have a lot of time to do like the other stuff. I just really need to get up and get this done today. So yeah, I will check back in probably around like cleaning time when I get to cleaning. But yeah. Hey guys, so I got home. I took like a 45-minute nap, which is why half of my hair now is like curled. I don't know what's going on, but got up and now I'm going to be cleaning my room. Like I said, I had a bunch of cleaning to get done today, so I hope you guys enjoy like watching me clean. I know those like satisfying videos on Twitter I really like to watch, so yeah. Frankie, you wanna make a cameo? Come here. Say hi. Say hi to you. Say hi. Hi, guy. Say hi. I promise I have another dog too. She's just usually sleeps somewhere. But yeah, we're just about to clean up my room. Don't judge me on how messy it is. I need to put up my clothes and go through my teaching wardrobe to make sure I have enough stuff for the year. If not, it's some stuff I need to pick up this week. So yeah, cue the montage. Okay guys, let me get to the good lighting. Just checking in. It's been about an hour. I have like a top section, like my bookshelf area, that just needed to be decluttered. Books that I could like donate, that I've already read and I'm not gonna read again. I've done like my vanity area, folded and put up all my clothes, and now really I just need to have a stack of those books that I need to like box up so I can bring to a Goodwill or some donation site, because I don't want to just keep the stack there. That defeats the purpose of cleaning. I need to make my bed and vacuum. I think those are like the last 3 things I need to do in here. And I still need to clean my bathroom, but that might be like a tomorrow thing because Omar doesn't come in until 4 o'clock. As you can see, I'm a little bit out of breath. Kind of tired today. I have a medication that like sometimes it just makes me like really sleepy, and I took it today and I'm feeling kind of drained, but I got stuff to do. I got to keep on going. yeah, I'm gonna head to the grocery store in like 30 minutes. So it's kind of like a go, 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 go type of day, like badge, clean, grocery store, gym at 5. It's 2 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna go to the gym today, do an arm day and an hour of Pilates. I think I'm gonna leave my phone at home just because, like I said, today it's been like really tiring, and I think I need some silent time. Like, I feel like an issue I have that I could really work on is I really like to feel silent. I don't like to sit in the silence, which I think is like something that a lot of people in like my generation can relate to. Is like, if I'm sitting at home, I have a TV show on, or if I'm in the car, I'm listening to the radio. I never just like sit in silence, which I think I really need to work on. So today at the gym, I think I'm just gonna go, they have like faint music going on in the background, so I think I'm just gonna go listen to like the faint music and just like be like silent without my phone. The world's not gonna crash and burn in 2 hours. And I just need like a few hours just without my phone, without listening to anything, and just to like have some like a me time. And I've been working out really hardcore, I would say, for the past month and a half now. Not for really anything. I mean, I would love to lose weight. That's always like a goal of mine, is to get to a healthy weight. But I haven't talked about this much, but I have a very obsessive personality. So I get way too into like weighing myself and the scale and everything. So this go around started like July, just randomly, just started working out like 5 days a week. And I really gotten to the point where I'm really like in love with it now. So school starts in a week, and I have a very busy schedule, which I'll probably go over with you guys soon. I want to do like a makeup for like everyday like college students, high school students. So I'll probably talk about like my busy schedule there. But since I am gonna have such a busy schedule, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get to the gym as much, but I'm gonna try because I've actually been really loving it. I'm just gonna take to, especially Pilates, because like it's just such quiet time, and I've been loving cycling because like the room's dark and like it's just you and the bike and stuff like that. But definitely just gonna take my workout as like a peaceful time. I'm gonna film at the grocery store and like probably give like a grocery store haul, but I don't think I'm gonna film me making the apple pie because I think this video is gonna be long enough, and like I said, I'm kind of tired today. So I think after I get back from the gym, or like right before I go to the gym, I'll probably sign off of here and then I need to edit today. I did not remember that. I need to edit a video, August BoxyCharm. Unboxing is gonna go up tomorrow, but that's like a 10-12 minute video, so I'll edit that. I have absolutely nothing to say, but Jasmine wanted to make a cameo. Say hi, baby. She felt like she wasn't included in the last video, and she hadn't been filmed in this one, and it was kind of rude. So I'm gonna give her her claim to fame, huh? Say I'm beautiful. I'm more than beautiful. Look at that face. Look at that face. Yeah. That's it. Okay, guys. So, bit of a fast forward. Outfit change later. Went to the grocery store with my mom. Forgot to film because honestly it's been such a long day. Like, I'm so tired. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like a grocery store haul. I know a lot of YouTubers, like vloggers, do this, so hopefully you find it interesting. I usually like to see them, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you some of what we got while I put it up. Croutons, banana peppers, black olives, vegetable shortening, pasta, soup, more soup, all the vegetables you can get: cilantro, peppers, onions, apples. There's a lot of plastic. I'm very aware. You need to get better on that. lettuce. We got cucumbers, potatoes, and I got this Beyond a Meat patty. So I've never tried these, but I really wanted to. It's plant-based patties. They're vegan, and I don't know, I just really want to try them. I got like regular beef patties for like burgers this week. I really just wanted to try this one out. And yeah, it says now even meatier, which I don't know what that means, because I mean, it's not meat, but I'm gonna try this. Maybe I'll try it on camera. Maybe that'd be cool. But yeah, this is my grocery store haul. So you saw that we got groceries. We also picked up a dinner. It's kind of early still, but we just picked it up while we were out. Got some mod pizzas. And yeah, that's really gonna be it for the day. We did a lot. We cleaned, we got our badge, grocery shopping. We're gonna make an apple pie later, but I'm really too tired to like film that. But thank you guys for watching. I actually have a lot of fun filming these vlogs. Like, I'm gonna place you down. It's so different than like my other videos where I'm like sitting down and putting on makeup, which is of course fun to me because I love makeup. But this is so like different and casual, and I get to show you guys like part of my life. And I'm not saying I have the most interesting life in the world, but I mean, I get up to some things some days. And especially starting next Monday, it's Monday now, so in exactly a week, I'll be starting school, and I'll also be starting student teaching the week after that. So things are really gonna pick up. I wanna do a lot more like day in my life vlog style videos, just because I have so much fun filming this. By the way, this has nothing to do with this video, but look at this new purse I got from Target. It's like a brown saddlebag, has a little pouch in the back. Pretty roomy as well. Already has a receipt in it, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that because it was just sitting right here. But yeah, I really hope you liked this vlog. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday and every Thursday. I'm still not sure how to like start or end these things because it's not as like formal as like a sit down tutorial, but it's also like still a video. I don't know. But if you want to follow my life outside of YouTube, follow me on Instagram at itsofficial_Ashley Marie. Everything will be in the description box below. And I hope you like this vlog. And I hope you like this vlog, guys. I'll see you here next time. Bye.